Hello sir,
Hi.
I'm Manisha.
Hi, Manisha.
So, while talking about financial literacy, I have heard this term many times,
Okay.
but I really don't know what it's about. So, can you explain me about it?
Sure, man. We'll be happy to help you. Before we do that, we will do a very small exercise, and I'm sure after that exercise is complete, you will know much more about financial literacy and what is it about. For that, we will need a note. But before we start, you need to promise that you will return me back this note, please.
Oh, sure.
Okay. I'm sure, ma'am, you must have handled this note so many times in your life. What I want you to do is just look at the note carefully and let me know what is missing with the note.
Okay. No, I don't think so. Anything missing in this note? It's perfect.
Okay. What was the question I asked, ma'am?
Question was, what is the missing in this note?
Okay. No, ma'am. I asked what is missing with the note. I never asked what is missing in the note.
Okay.
This is just the note I brought it from the ATM. So it is perfectly genuine. Now coming back to what is missing with the note. Ma'am, I'm sure you must be using a mobile phone.
Yes.
When you first time bought a mobile phone, what all things came with that?
There are three things. Mobile charger,
Okay.
headphones, and instruction manual, of course.
Exactly. So, instruction manual is nothing but a manual which helps us how to use the phone.
Right.
I'm sure, ma'am, when we bought the TV or a refrigerator, an air cooler, an air conditioner, a car, microwave, anything, even wear clothes, when we buy them, it comes with a set of instructions. Now, ma'am, may I know what exactly you do?
I'm self-employed, sir.
Okay, you are self-employed. Ma'am, every time when a client pays you, do they give any instructions? Does this come any instructions that how to use the money?
No, never.
No. Same is the case when there are certain people who are working, they are salaried, the teachers, IT professionals. Whenever they receive their salary, I don't think they get any instructions from the
Not at
company.
all, not at all, right.
Yes. So we ourselves set that instructions based on our experience in life. Now coming back to the thing why when I asked you that what is missing with the note and you heard what is missing in the note, the difference is because of the mindset. It is because of the filters we look at the world. These filters are created based on our experiences in life. So many times what we listen and what we understand, they are different things.
Correct.
For adults, the filters are so rigid, they are so strong, it is very difficult to change. But for children, if at the right age, if we start building up a good mindset, it will help them when they grow up. So financial literacy is all about giving a set of instructions how to use money wisely. Tomorrow when our children they grow up, they either choose to do a job, they choose to be a professional like a chartered accountant or anything, or they want to start their own business, become a self-employed person like you, what they have to handle is handle money.
Right.
None of the schools they teach the subject financial literacy. Neither as a parent we talk to our children about financial literacy, about money.
Actually.
So whenever they come to us, we tell them कि नहीं पैसे के बारे में बात नहीं करनी है. So financial literacy is about, as I said, a set of instructions how to use money wisely. Based on our experience of past 3.5 years, we have designed a wonderful course for children especially aged 10 years and above, wherein when they do that course, they will understand how money can be used wisely.
Right.
So that is all about. And the most important fact here is the foundation is very, very important. I'm sure, ma'am, when we were children, we are told to brush our teeth, to wash our hands, These are all habits. Similarly, good financial habits, which I, as an adult, with my experience, I learned them. But if a good financial habits are given to children, their life will be secured and they will literally know how well they can use the money in their lives. So that is why our company Go Big Mo has come up with this course. Here we help children to learn two subjects, important subjects. One is financial literacy and second is leadership skills. So whatever profession they choose, both these things they will help them to grow their foundation so strong that they can succeed in their lives.
Oh, that's great.
I hope
This is your
you.
note.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So I hope now you are aware of what exactly financial literacy is about.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.